Rightio guys, welcome back to day 2 here at Fraser Island. We're here on the jet ski again. We're gonna go set some crab pots and then we're gonna go out on the West Island fishing. It's looking to be an awesome day. It's glassed off at the moment. It's a bit too swelly on the other side as we were out there this morning. It's not worth it. We may as well explore this side. So we'll enjoy this side this morning and then head back and maybe go for an afternoon run out the back. Well, there we go. Pot number 1 is in the water. Just up this little creek system here. And we're about to drop the second and third pot up here and then go back for another one which we couldn't fit on. Go up in here. Bang, away. Rightio, that is all the pots. We'll catch you when we fishing. We'll go fishing and then come back and check them. Oh yeah.
Oh, snapper! Oh, that was a big shark.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit, I'll get this out then. Oh, Tusky. Come on. What the hell? What species of Tusky is that?
Oh, that's like a torn tusk.
There you
Is that
go.
legal, do you reckon?
And a snapper.
Oh, I think I dropped it. Yeah. Oh, smash that though. That was a good ass bite. That was a bite.
No. It's a nanny.
Oh! Is that cable?
Yes. How's that my first ever nanny? No way. That's crazy. Bro, we're on. There's nannies. Wait, can you pass my phone? Quick, let me one. That's nuts. There you go guys. It's a nice 43 centimeter nanny. He'll go legal. Let's fish for some more. Okay, where do I turn around?
Just reverse down the hill.
I'm not reversing down. So guys, that was quite a challenging hill there. We came only down here because the Amarok got bulged, so we had to come snatch him out, and then yeah, now we're gonna go test out ngkala rocks. So we'll see how that goes. 30 psi on the tyres, so that was a bit challenging, but Prada goes good. It's 2 out of 10. heck. Well guys, that was hectic. Ngkala Rocks, world famous, well known around Australia and well known for Fraser Island. It's the pinnacle of Fraser and everybody comes here and tries to do Ngkala Rocks. Now that time it was so crazy. We were waiting for about an hour or two, helping people, making roads of tracks and stuff because people just can't get through. It's so soft at the moment because it's so dry, and but on the way back a few big bumps, and but yeah, I was going to talk you through it, but it's so hectic and everyone was waiting and it was all rushed, so but yeah, but that is probably a wrap to day 2. Stay tuned. If you want to see the results of the crab pots, you'll have to check to tomorrow's video, where we'll be sending it wide in the tinny with the jet ski, tinny and the jet ski, fishing for tuskies and reds and all that good stuff. And we're also going to check the crab pots and hope, fingers crossed, for 4 muddies. If we get 4 muddies, we're happy. So tune in for that one. We'll see you then.
Yeah, you fucking shouldn't have gone down this track.
It wasn't me, it was Matt.
You were the one that...
Yeah.
Yeah!
Keep going.